Alright, and then if you have the multi-contour seats, or these are your adjustments, you have your thigh extension. Obviously you can raise, lower the seat using the front half, or twisting it to lower the top, tilt the seat this way. You have the option, obviously, backrest. So then you have the option of kind of curling the top of the seat forward by using this switch. This puts more of a like an arch on the seat. You can do that. This is a switch here. You won't be able to see this one, but this is your lumbar adjustment. So you raise, lower it, and this moves the lumbar position here and here. And this button moves. I don't know if you can tell, but this is extending out, so it just chooses how much lumbar you have. This right here is the bolstering. So it's gonna be these two things, and you can almost like hug you in the seat. So, all right, and if you want to raise the headrest, you move the whole button upright. So this whole switch moves upright, and it moves the headrest up or down. All right. In addition to that, you also have the option of moving these, kind of like how the airplane seats are, where you can have kind of a cradle in your head if you want that. So if you want to relax and say like you're driving or you have a spouse or somebody and they want to lay down, they can put their seat back, kind of put this up here, and then just recline. So and that's the seat operation of the X5 with the multi-contour seat. Also too, with the rear seats, assuming this is with third row only, to move the third row up, you grab this handle, one-handed, and it's the operation, and you can just grab this like that. And I'm doing this with one hand because I have the camera in my other hand, but it's not hard to do. You can flip the seat up that way. Okay. Now there's also an option, because this is also a split. So what you can do is, let's see, to put it down, you just release it, push it down till it clicks. If you want to fold it down, this is what you'll do. This is fold down. Now you can just fold down just center only, and it's like that. So if you just want to have like one passenger, but not, so you got passenger sitting here, you just need to put like a board across. You can just put just the center portion down. And obviously there's this here. So and releasing the back, all you're gonna do is just drop that there, and the headrest also pop up. So if you got the taller child sitting back here, you can throw the headrest up for them.